Welcome everyone to our Sixth Form Assembly for the week commencing the 21st of June. Can I start by reminding everyone of the upcoming webinars that are taking place? Now on Tuesday the 22nd of June we have our main UCAS webinar for the year, which is from Mr. Steve Minney, Head of Student Recruitment at Swansea University, and this takes place on Zoom at 6 p.m. and I've sent everyone the link to register for this. Now Swansea University will be talking about key aspects of the UCAS process, from how to choose university courses, how the application process works, how to write personal statements, etc. So this is a fantastic opportunity for you to increase your knowledge of how the UCAS process works. Now on Thursday the 24th of June at 5 p.m. we have a webinar with former Radyr student Zoe Gilvia. Now Zoe studied sports science at university, she's done a degree and a master's, and now she's an Olympic team manager for Team GB, and she'll be talking about her experiences of studying a sports course at university and the huge range of career opportunities for students who study PE or sport at sixth form and sport related degree courses. So please sign up at the link which I've emailed out to everyone. I think it'll be a really good talk for anyone interested in sporting careers. Now I also want to remind everyone of some key dates coming up. So on Wednesday the 30th of June we have our Year 12 Parents Consultation Evening, and this takes place virtually on our online platform between 4 p.m. and 6:40 p.m. and Mr. Jenkins will be emailing details of this to parents. Now between the 28th of June and the 16th of July all Year 12 students will be off timetable. We have a Welsh Baccalaureate collapse timetable where you'll be working on your individual project and aspects of E&E. Now on Thursday the 1st of July, that's during that period, all the Year 12 students will be off timetable with form tutors to take part in further careers workshops, and included in these sessions will be how to register and complete a UCAS form. Now on the 1st of July there'll also be sessions devoted to apprenticeships. We'll talk about the different types of apprenticeships, how to search for apprenticeships, etc. So please make every effort to attend this session on the 1st of July. Now at our careers workshop last week I mentioned our Radyr Sixth Form Next Steps website. Now this is our own website which contains all our resources to support students with university, apprenticeship and school leavers applications. We have a section on applying to university, we have an early applicant section for students interested in medicine, dentistry, veterinary science or Oxbridge. We also have an employment section and a section called Other Opportunities which has information on gap years, etc. Now you can access this website straight from the school website if you click on the sixth form icon, or you can just go into Google and put Radyr plus Next Steps and it will come straight up in the search bar. Now when you access the Next Steps website you will find our Radyr Comprehensive School UCAS guide which I've emailed out to you. Now this is a guide that shows you how to make applications for university. It has sample personal statements, it explains how the UCAS point system works, and it has lots of information to support students who are thinking of applying to university. Now we also have our Careers and University Resources guide which has 65 pages to support students with careers applications, university applications, etc. Now there are some really useful sections in this guide. So for example, if you're thinking of an apprenticeship, there are pages and pages devoted to different companies who offer apprenticeship and school leavers programs. There's also an early applicant section which has lots and lots of links to support students interested in medicine, dentistry, veterinary science or Oxbridge. We also have a supercurricular section which contains links for all different subjects to help you explore these subjects. Now remember, supercurricular activities are activities designed to explore subjects beyond what you would study as part of a specification or syllabus. Now by undertaking a supercurricular activity you are demonstrating that you have an interest in a particular subject that goes beyond what you have to study in school, and you're also demonstrating to universities, to companies and organisations that you're a strong independent learner, and that is a key skill that they'll be looking for. Now another key website which will support you as you research different careers and opportunities after sixth form is our Radyr Sixth Form YouTube channel. Now on this channel we have lots of information to support students with research. We have all our assemblies on this Radyr Sixth Form YouTube channel, we have our own playlist for assemblies, and that contains lots of information. And we also have our own careers and university resources playlist, which has advice on how to make the most out of Unifrog, how to search for apprenticeships, how to write personal statements, how to complete an online UCAS form, etc. So please check this YouTube channel out. It will really help you as you research your next steps after sixth form. Now, I've mentioned in previous assemblies that the school subscribes to a platform called Unifrog, and Unifrog is a complete destinations platform. It has tools to help you apply for apprenticeships, school leavers programs, university. It also has a fantastic MOOC tool which will allow you to search for supercurricular activities from all over the world, and it's a fantastic resource for anybody thinking about their next steps. So please check out this platform. If you're unsure about how to log on to this platform, have a chat to Mrs. Siciliano or Miss Jones, who tend to lead on this, and they'll be able to help you with login details, etc. Now, if you're thinking about alternatives to university after sixth form, so for example an apprenticeship, school leavers program or gap year, a really good starting point is this website. It's called notgoingtouni.co.uk, and it's full of really useful information to help and support students who are considering these options. Now, the website also contains an excellent search engine which allows you to search for opportunities across the UK and overseas, and you can see from this screenshot that just this weekend another 1,670 new opportunities was added to the website. So it's a really fantastic resource for anyone who's thinking of an alternative to university. Now, if you have decided that an apprenticeship or school leavers program is right for you, this is another excellent resource that will help you find the right opportunity. It's called allaboutschoolleavers.co.uk. They have a website and a Twitter site, and they have a fantastic search engine which allows you to search for apprenticeships and school leavers programs from across the UK. Now, lots of universities will have degree apprenticeship opportunities. Now, USW, the University of South Wales, have a scheme called Network 75. It's not called a degree apprenticeship, but it is a degree apprenticeship in everything but the name. It allows you to work for a local company in this area, and over a 5-year period you will earn money while you work for this company. You'll have your degree paid for, and you'll study a couple of days a week at the University of South Wales to secure your degree. So it's an excellent opportunity to study for a degree, to have it paid for, and to earn money at the same time. And this Network 75 scheme is separate to the UCAS process, so you can apply for UCAS and Network 75. Now, as you can see from the many emails I've sent out, lots of companies are offering work experience opportunities, and most of these will be virtual this year. One such company is Renishaw. They have software work experience and commercial work experience, where you can find out about business, finance, human resources, legal, sales, marketing and IT. The deadline for applications is the 30th of June, and these work experience opportunities take place at the end of July and the beginning of August. Now, if you're considering a university application, there's a website called Discover Uni, which is a government website, and it has all the statistics and information about the different courses that are offered across the UK. So you're able to use these statistics to compare courses to find the right one for you. So if you put the name of a university and the name of a course into the search bar on this website, you'll find information such as student satisfaction rates, average earnings after someone has completed a degree. You'll find employment rates and information about entry requirements and the types of offers that were made by the university for this course. Now, lots of universities are running webinars to help students with applications, and the University of Reading have been running their Prepare for Uni series of webinars, and these have been taking place in blocks throughout the summer term, and the last block of these sessions will be Thursday the 1st of July, Thursday the 8th of July and Thursday the 15th of July, and there will be 3 online sessions to help you with personal statements and to help you understand if university is right for you and how to search for different courses, etc. Now, also don't forget to check out the USW website, because they have a great series of webinars taking place to help students with university applications. And on Thursday the 8th of July, they have a student life presentation which will help you find out more about what it's like to be a student at university. And on the 24th of June, they have a session on writing a personal statement. and these run right the way through the summer term, and they'll also be running through the autumn term as well. So it's always worth checking their Twitter site and website for further details. Now, another fantastic website that will help students who are thinking about university applications is the opendays.com website. Now, all the different university open days and events are listed on this platform, so you can find out all the virtual open days that are taking place in June and July and sign up for these. So you can see on the 26th of June, we have virtual open days taking place at Bangor University, Goldsmiths, University of London, Imperial College London, Lancaster, Queen Mary, University of London, Royal Holloway, Teesside, and the University College Birmingham. Now, I would recommend you checking this website regularly so you don't miss out on the different opportunities available. Now, this week, the University of Bristol have a virtual open week where they're running webinars every day to support students with applications. They're also running subject webinars so you can find out about the different courses and opportunities available. Now, if you're interested in creative pathways, USW have a fantastic creative graduate festival where you can learn from academic staff and students who have undertaken creative courses at the University of South Wales. And these events are taking place from the 21st of June to the 2nd of July, and you can find out about careers in creative industries, music and sound careers, fashion careers, film and TV careers, etc. Now, you can also register your interest in receiving further updates from the University of South Wales, and if you do that, there's a chance you might win a £50 Amazon voucher. Now, Cardiff University also have lots of events taking place over the next few weeks and months. So, for example, between the 6th and 8th of July, they have a series of panels and workshops and discussions for students interested in STEM subjects. So during the school day, there will be up to 5 sessions aimed at demonstrating the career pathways that have their foundations in STEM subjects. And there'll be sessions for physics and astronomy, computer science, chemistry, maths, pharmacy, pharmaceutical science, social science, bioscience, archaeology, psychology, earth and environmental science, and engineering. So this looks a great series of webinars, so please check your emails for details of how to sign up for these. Now, I've also sent details recently of these 2 events, which are being organised by an organisation called Girls Intogeoscience. They have a virtual field trip event, which is taking place on the 28th of June, and they also have a careers and workshop day, which takes place on the 29th of June. So please check your emails for details of how to sign up to this. Now, Swansea University are also offering a great range of virtual summer schools this year, and these are running between the 12th of July and the 15th of July, and you can see they have a whole range of subjects that they're offering: accounting and finance, biosciences, business management, chemistry, computer science, criminology, economics, engineering, education, law, languages, mathematics, etc. So please check your emails for further details of how to sign up for these. Now, the SEREN network are also running admission test preparation sessions between the 28th of June and the 9th of July. So if you're a member of the SEREN network, I've emailed details of these. You have to sign up at the link that is displayed on this slide and that I've emailed. Please don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity. Now, for anyone that's thinking of university, there is a fantastic new website called University Ready, which is hosted on the Open Learn platform of the Open University, and this has been put together by the Welsh Government along with all the Welsh universities to really support students make an excellent transition from sixth form to university. So it's worth checking out these excellent resources. Now, as this assembly comes to an end, I just want to finish by mentioning 2 great websites for MOOCs. MOOCs are massive open online courses, and they allow students to explore subjects beyond what they study at school. The first of these websites is a website called edX, and edX is an American website which has fantastic MOOCs for students who are interested in STEM subjects. So if you're interested in science, technology, engineering or maths, you can undertake MOOCs from universities such as Harvard, Berkeley, Yale, the University of Maryland, etc. So this is a fantastic website for exploring subjects. Now, the final website I'm going to mention is the FutureLearn website. Now, FutureLearn is a UK website which hosts MOOCs from universities in the UK and all over the world, and it's a free website. You only pay if you want unlimited access to the website. In other words, you want access to any MOOCs that have ever been on the website. Please don't do that. You don't need to do it, because there's thousands of MOOCs available at any one time, and they cover a great range of subjects. So a MOOC is great for exploring a subject, and by undertaking a MOOC, you might find an interest in a particular subject or topic, and that might lead you to a particular career or a university course or an apprenticeship application. And a MOOC is also really good because it gives you great content for personal statements and job application and apprenticeship applications, and it also shows that you're a strong independent learner. Now, I hope everyone has a fantastic week, and if you need any support with careers, or you have any questions about subject options that you want to pursue in Year 13, please come and see myself, Miss Jones, Mrs. Siciliano, because we're here to help you.